Welcome to my channel. Here are some tips for burning energy and losing weight more effectively. 1. Eat breakfast. A protein and healthy fat breakfast can keep you full for longer and help prevent snacking during the day. 2. Eat regular meals. This can help you burn calories more effectively and helps prevent mindless snacking. 3. Remember your 5 a day. Fruits and vegetables can be a tasty snack and they can bulk out your meals. They are high in nutrients and fiber and low in calories and fat. 4. Eat slow-burning calories. High-fiber carbohydrates, such as legumes, and healthy fats, such as avocado, take longer to release energy, so you will not get hungry as quickly. 5. Exercise. This can help burn off extra calories, and it can make you feel good. A brisk daily walk is easy for most people to do and costs nothing. Challenge yourself with a pedometer. For people who use a wheelchair, there are exercises that can boost heart health and strength. 6. Drink water. It is healthful, has no calories, and can fill you up. Avoid alcohol and sodas as these can easily provide far too many calories. If you crave sweet drinks, choose unsweetened fruit juices, or better still, get a juice maker. 7. Eat more fiber. Fiber, found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can help you feel full and encourage healthy digestion. 8. Check the label. Some items have hidden fats or sugars. 10% less fat might not actually mean very much less fat, and it does not necessarily mean that you can eat more of it or that it is really more healthful. If you are counting calories, the label will help you keep track. 9. Use smaller plates. Research indicates that portion sizes have increased over the last 3 decades, and this may contribute to obesity. Using a smaller plate encourages smaller portions. 10. Slow down. Eat slowly and rest between courses or extra servings, as it can take 20 to 30 minutes for your body to realize it feels full. 11. Make a shopping list. Plan a week of healthful meals and snacks, list the ingredients you need, and when you go grocery shopping, stick to it. 12. A little of what you fancy. Banning foods can lead to cravings and binging. Spoil yourself occasionally with a favorite treat, but in smaller amounts. 13. Get enough sleep. Sleep loss affects the metabolism, and it has been linked to weight gain.
14. Avoid eating 2 hours before bed. Eating within 2 hours of sleeping can interfere with sleep quality and promote weight gain.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.